Welcome to class Upper KG. Today our date is Monday 21st December 2020. This is our maths period and firstly we will do oral drill. Now we will revise days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we will revise months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, now we will revise season name. There are 4 seasons in a year: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Okay, now class, tell me, how's the weather like today? Sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, cloudy weather, foggy weather. Sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, cloudy weather, foggy weather. Today is foggy weather. Today is foggy weather. Now we will revise table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. We revise shapes: SHAPES shapes. Okay, tell me which shape is this? Circle. This is circle. What is the spelling of circle? CIR, sir, CLE, circle. Which shape is this? This is square. This is square. What is the spelling of square? SQUARE, square. Now tell me which shape is this? This is triangle. TRI, try, ANNGLE, triangle. And last one is rectangle. What is the spelling of rectangle? RECT, rect, ANNGLE, rectangle. Now we will revise teen words: TEEN, teen, WORDS words. 13, THIR, third, TEEN, teen, 13, FOUR, 4, TEEN, teen, 14, FIF, fifth, TEEN, teen, 15, SIX, 6, TEEN, teen, 16, SEVEN, 7, TEEN, teen, 17, EIGH, 8, TEEN, teen, 18, NINE, 9, TEEN, teen, 19. Today is Monday, MON, DAY day, Monday, 21st December, DECEMMBER, December, 2020. Today our topic is table of 3 full. First of all, we will do activity. Okay. We have some matchsticks. Okay. Okay. We will do activity. Table of 3. 3 ones are 3. We will add 3 more. So these are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. We will add 3 more. And then these are, okay, table of 3. You will write TO like this. And you will write 3 under the O like this. Then you will write multiplication sign. Then you will write 1 under the O. Then you will write the sign of is equal to and write 3 under the O. Okay, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. Come to the copywork. First of all, you will write the date, Monday 21st December, 2020. Then you will write the topic, table of 3, full. Then you will write TO like this, and you will write in full box with sharp pencil. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.